Jasmine Steps.
Excellent venture.
Yeah, we're at Morro Bay Kite Festival. And we're gonna check out some kites today. We brought our kite that we found at Pacific Dunes.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah,
When there's a kite festival,
yes.
wind would be helpful.
Yeah, there doesn't seem to be enough wind today.
There's a lot of, I see a lot just getting off the ground, but they come straight back down.
Yeah. It's definitely gonna take some effort today. We've been running around like crazy trying to keep the kite in the air.
We'll get it up.
We
That's
will. That's what she
Uh,
said. We are so lucky to be camping right now with our family. This is my Aunt Bonnie and my cousin's wife Val. Hi. And they live down here in San Luis Obispo area. So we've been hanging out a lot while we're down on the Central Coast.
And Jeff's photobombing us.
Yeah, he does that. That's what Jeff does. You didn't give her bunny ears. There you go.
Hey.
This is my cousin Ed.
How's it going?
Yeah, and we're having so much fun at Morro Rock here at the state park. It's awesome. It's a cool truck. Whoa. Nice to see you guys. Is finally making some progress with our kite friend here. Oh, maybe not. I spoke too soon. There. Oh, success. Yay, we finally got our kite up. We had to take the tails off because they were all wet and sandy and it was weighting it down. Our kite went in the ocean. Oh no, I can see it. Uh-oh. What happened to our kite?
It crashed into the ocean.
I saw that.
Did you see it flying?
I did see it flying. It's a little wet. Coolest van ever.
Having an interesting conversation with your
Check this out. Homer Simpson's driving. Look at this. Hi, Homer. Wow, look how cool this is.
Tagging wagons, skills on wheels.
I love it. Yeah.
All right, guys, what's your names?
Chase.
Chase?
And Connor.
Okay, now let me ask you a question. How's the swell first? Is it good?
It's pretty good
Is that what
today.
you call it, the swell?
Pretty good. Solid.
Yeah, solid. Okay.
Oh, you heard it right there, solid.
Now, are you guys worried about sharks at all?
No way.
Have you seen a shark while you're surfing?
No, never.
So you don't worry just a little bit that you're out there, because you see these videos where people. Really?
Don't worry.
Yay,
It's
good
the
for
power,
you.
Power of youth.
Yeah.
Well, you're not afraid. How
What
old are
about
you?
jellyfish?
20.
You're 20, yeah.
Yeah.
What about jellyfish?
Jellyfish?
No.
No, never. Never seen one.
We've seen lots of them on
Yeah.
the beaches, so yeah.
Well, thanks.
Thanks. Happy surfing today, boys. Uh-oh, what do we have?
Well, Stephanie, the kite flying, not so good. But clearly that's a kite we found, and there might be a reason why someone didn't want it.
Yeah, there was probably a reason it was crashed down in the dunes.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it flew really good when we were at our last place, but it just wasn't quite doing it here at the beach.
You know
it
where it is
dipping
now?
down.
You know where it is now?
Where'd it
It's
go?
in the garbage.
Oh no!
Yeah, it's gone.
That makes me sad. What do we have here, though? Oh my God!
Too much popcorn.
We have like a yard of kettle corn. How can you say no to kettle corn? Yeah, we have rain coming, it looks like the next day or two. So it looks
Boo.
like it's going to be some Netflix streaming and kettle corn days.
That's not a bad thought, really.
Yeah, a little relaxing time.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining us today at Morro Rock State Park in the Morro Rock Kite
International
Festival.
Kite Festival, I think they
Yeah,
call it, right?
yeah, it's very cool. They have music and DJs and everything here. It's been fun today.
Right.
Yeah.
Jeff?
And Steph's excellent
Kite
adventure. Yeah, kite flying.
Kettle corn.
Family adventure. See you soon.
See you guys.
Bye.
Here's we got a passenger, Steph.
Yeah, it looks like someone's hanging out on the Jeff and Steph rig. Check out this. We just came back and we got a seagull on top. Hi, buddy.
What's up, Holmes?
We're gonna have to get in that truck and leave. Let's see.
How you doing?
He doesn't look really happy about it.
Easy, easy, big fella.
Okay, off with ya. Yeah, he's taking his time. It's Sunday. He's definitely not in a hurry.
He's not afraid at all.
No, he's not.
Yeah.
Another one just landed.
Do you
The
watch
one
YouTube?
left and the other one landed
Yeah.
on the roof.
Do you watch YouTube? You want?
He likes popcorn, probably.
That's a good-looking seagull, isn't it?
I know.
Look how crisp his colors are.
Seems to be a theme here. There's another seagull in a car. Buddy, time to go.